1969 RSSS, this time with L89 power.
4-speed on this one and Hugger orange. So let's see if the color combination and a different transmission choice makes any difference. 373 gears and that big 12-bolt rear end. Let's look inside. Rosewood steering wheel, console, gauges, vinyl top, SS wheels, SS hood, and that classic Hugger orange paint. Boy, that looks good on there, Bill.
God bless multi-stage clear coat paint. It is such an improvement over what factories could do when these cars were built.
Yeah, 1969, that Hugger orange would have been done in lacquer.
DuPont lucite.
Yeah, multiple coats, and of course needed to be buffed to bring a shine out.
Yeah.
You worked in the paint shop at Greasy Al's in
well, not his shop, but yes, I did. I worked in a body shop when I was a kid.
Okay.
And learned a lot about, the paint at the time, but boy, has it come a long way since then, JK, huh?
Oh, man. Well, you said it. I mean, this paint job is going to look like this almost indefinitely. All right, reserve is off, $175,000.
$180,000. $180,000. 180.
What?
177,500.
You're gonna do that to me?
180 to you. 180. 177,500 and 180.
Said no.
So 177.
Well, this one brings the money and ends up selling.
Now offering S108.1 from the Imperial Boathouse Collection, a 70 Dodge Charger RT.